Alright guys, I've been lenient. I've been hiding back away from you because I don't like being forced into doing things that I don't want to. That's just the way I am. However, this has gone too far. You post this video claiming to have an Irish accent, and this just... excuse me for a moment here. And then Grin has the gall to say that it was better than mine. Not that I actually did it, sorry. But that's not the point. The point is, I am disappointed and embarrassed and I've reached my last straw. This is it for me. Okay? Okay. Oh, Delali, they're after me, Lucky Charms. Toy, potatoes. See, what was that? What was that? I wasn't trying to be Irish.